Yeah, my name is Alpesh Sambrekar. I am the Managing Director of Matrix Testing and Technologies Pvt Limited. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. We are from the field of destructive testing machine, and this is one of the product which falls under the testing machine category. So the product name is Universal Testing Machine. This products give you the value of the mechanical properties, what is the elongation, tensile strength of the material, and this comes from a very renowned brand in India. The company name is FI. It's a 75 years old company, and we are the authorized prime dealer for this company. We have supplied more than 600 numbers of machine in last 5 years, and this is the product which comes as a basic requirement in any of the metal related industry. We started this company in 2012. Now we are the largest supplier of testing machine in India. We have presence all across the nation, and we are representing one company called FI, that is a very renowned brand in India. Company is having a legacy of 75 year old. We ourselves do the calibration under the ISO 17025. We are a anyway accredited body in India.